This is the crazy cure for tired old Perspex, Lexan, whatever you'd call it. And you can see what I did earlier. This is a patch I did a couple of hours ago, and it's smooth, and the super glue, this is what it is, super glue and cyanoacrylate. And what I'm going to do, I'll just apply a bit more. Just spreading it with a bit of plastic. You have to work it in. Some of the crazing is quite, it's not very deep, and you can extend the life of the hatch quite a lot like this, or until you get the right kind of piece of Perspex replacement anyway. So you can see what I'm doing, and it seems to be the good stopgap anyway. And if you have a look at this nav light, which you can see the bottom, which I did earlier on, and you can see the difference before and after. So it kind of rejuvenates these things as well. I know they're not very expensive lamps new, but if you haven't got one at hand, this is keep it going for a couple of years, I think. So yeah, a quick crazy cure.